Hi everyone! Today I'm going to be reacting to Taehyun's Bird of Night visual music video. Ini lagi dan lagi edisi reacting to solo track yang member TXT satu persatu, so let's just get right into the music video. 모두 잠든 깊은 밤이 말을 걸어와 잠들 수 없는 밤 착각되는 시계 소리 도시에서만 점점 커져가 쌓여가는 선택 사이 불안함 속에 무거워진 어깨 어른이 된 단건 뭘까 yeah, 전부 흐려져가 It's relatable 날개를 펴니까 bird of night 잠든 도시의 별빛 아래 고요한 밤만의 night flight 깜짝한 점이 돼 어둠이 더 깊을수록 빛나 흔들리지 않을 저 별빛은 이 시간의 이유를 I know We should let it go 불확실한 감정들의 이름 잠못 드는 저 바다의 이유 이 세상에 어떤 어둠도 언젠가는 glow 내려다본 도시 흔들리는 street lights 마치 내 맘 같아 이름 모른 이의 고민 속에 널 떠올려 혹시 너도 그럴까 별을 향해 내게 주신 내게 더 기도하지 깨어있는 이유 별을 향해 너와 함께 나가기 위해 난 날아가 like a bird of night 짙은 고민의 불빛 아래 찬란한 밤 우리의 night flight 잠들지 못한 제발 어둠이 더 깊을수록 빛나 흔들리지 않을 저 별빛은 이 시간의 이유를 I know We should let it go 같은 별을 바라보고 있을 어둠 속 날 떠올리는 이유 이 세상에 어떤 어둠도 I like the song 언젠가는 glow I like the song. I like the song. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I know. I like the song actually. The lyrics, the song, the arrangement, and the vocals. Obviously, it's his vocal. I love it so much. It's amazing. Lebih ke kayak, I think it's confusion of being an adult. Like, apa sih sebenarnya being an adult itu? Because why does everything feel so blurry? Why can't I understand a single thing and just blah 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 and spread my wings like a bird of night and all that. Wow, it's amazing. Amazing vocal, amazing song, amazing lyrics as well. And the music video is just like a subtle type of music video with a very good looking face as a visual. Yeah, it's definitely my type of song and my type of music video too, because I like it when the music video is like calm with a very, I don't know, it's giving like a cold tone for the music video, but it's not that cold either. Karena biasanya kalau cold tone tuh lebih kayak ke biru gitu kan, kalau warm lebih ke orange-ish kind of, tapi dia juga nggak terlalu orange, lebih ke kayak di tengah-tengah pas gitu, but it's cold tone. It's actually a cold tone music video and I love it. It's a good song if you want to listen to it while you're driving a car, like a night drive, like you're having a night drive session. I think this would be a great song to blast on. It's amazing. Thank you so much for watching today's reaction video. Thank you so much for Taehyun for this amazing masterpiece. It's amazing. I hope you sing a song forever because this is really good. And yeah, that was it for today's reaction video. I'll see you guys again in my next reaction video. Bye! Thanks for watching!